In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix USB-C earphones not detected. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, USB-C earphone issues are often caused by USB audio routing conflicts or the lack of DAC chip in the headphones themselves. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application. Then once you're here, go over and scroll down all the way to developer options, which is at the very bottom. Now, what you want to do is find disable USB audio routing. Once you go ahead and find that, all you want to go ahead and do is ensure that this is off. If it's on, that's not something you want. That's why it might not be working. But if you go ahead and disable the USB audio routing, then it should basically be working properly. And then you should be good to go from that point on. So it's going to be in the media section. Again, like I said, you just want to make sure that this is off right here. And then also you want to find default USB configuration and set it to no data transfer or charging only. This forces the phone to prioritize the audio handshake over any data handshake. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you also have Bluetooth on, try and turn that off because it might be a Bluetooth interference with another device.